Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about English learning, how I became interested to learn the English language. Once I visited in UAE in previous time, and there I was on a visit visa, and I was not willing to get any kind of job there, because mostly people consider that the person who go to Dubai is in search of a job, but I was not in search of a job. I have visited there. I had visited there just to see the beautiful places, locations there. You know that the whole world is visiting towards Dubai, and Dubai is considered a beautiful place. There are so many other places more beautiful than Dubai, but this is, I think, in the center, and the whole world, whole people from all over the countries come to visit Dubai. So I visited there, and when I was there during that period, one of my colleague, acquainter you can say, asked me that in Dubai Mall there is a company, and they are holding some kind of interviews, and you should go there and give interview for a job. I was not interested, but somehow I went there, and there are so many people sitting outside the room where the interview is being conducted. Where the interview was being conducted, outside there are some Indian guys, girls, boys, and I was also sitting there. When my turn came, I went inside. I met with the interviewer, and I discussed with him. He asked me some question. I gave precise replies, and then at that moment he told me that I will call you. Then I returned from there. After some days I got an email that you are selected for the job, and send some photographs or two copies of some passports or other things, related stuff, for further process. So at that time I was worried that I am not willing to get the job, so I did not reply. Then after some times I again got a call from some officials there, and they asked me that you did not send your documents to us for further processing. So I asked them, I told them that I will send, but I was worried that I was not interested to stay there. I was willing to come back to my home country. So I did not reply them, and after that they did not connect, they did not call me or send me any kind of mail. From there I have noticed that where there you are not interested in, you get the things very easily, but where there you are too much curious to achieve the things would become very difficult for you to get. So I think that we should kill the curiosity. We should be curious, but in some way we should kill the curiosity to achieve the things. We should work consistently to achieve the things, and we should not be impatient. When we are impatient, we get the things very late, and those people who do their work consistently but they are not impatient, they get the things very easily. So at that moment where there are so many other people, guys, those were rejected from the job, they were curious to get the job, they are willing to get the job, but they were refused. I was not willing to get the job, I was accepted. So I have noticed that when we become too much impatient about the things, then we get the things very late. Things would become very difficult for us to achieve. But when we are not curious about the things, when we kill our curiosity, then things would automatically become easy for us to achieve them. So I think that when you are learning English language, you are too much curious that I will learn English language in one month, in 10 days. But when you do hard work, after 1 month, 2 months, after some months, you see no progress, then you lack interest, then you quit. This is not good. Do your work with patience and have patience. When you will have patience, then you will do your work consistently and slowly and gradually. I think that you would get the things for you. So for English learning, I think that this formula is very important, that first of all you should have a goal in front of you, that after learning, improving English language, you will do such things. And to improve, to get command on English language, I think that you should do consistent work and don't be impatient. When you will become impatient, then as I told you, that things will become difficult for you. So have patience and do your work consistently. In this way, after some years, you would become able to speak good English language. It takes some years to master the English language, to speak the English language. Because if you are learning English language in your older age, it is difficult for you to improve the English language very soon. If you are learning from the beginning, then it is okay that you can improve your language in a year or in some months. But if you are of old age, right now you are learning the language, then it will take time. So you will have to give the time. After giving the time and after consistent hard work, one day you will become able to speak very good English and understandable English. Good English means that others are understanding. Sometimes we make mistakes because we are non-native, and we can make mistakes. Mistakes are the part of our speech. So don't feel shy while making the mistakes. After making mistakes, one day you will correct those mistakes and you will speak very good, precise English language. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button, subscribe this channel and give your feedback below in comment box. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.